So you might be trying to figure out how you can use the new Siri on iOS 27, aka Siri AI. Now doing this is actually very, very cool because there's a lot of cool features inside. Now to enable it, you want to make your way over into your settings application, just like this, and you want to scroll down until you find the Siri option, which is right over here. So tap on Siri, and then you're going to be able to bring it over into this page right here. Now, what you can do is you can go through and enable your Siri. So click here, enable Siri. Now, to basically unlock Siri or to even use it, you can hold down on the side button of your iPhone here, and you'll be able to bring open Siri. So now the Siri prompt will open up like this, and you can go through and basically start to ask Siri questions. So if I ask Siri, how much does an iPhone 17 Pro cost? You can see right here it's going to start actually searching up at the very top, and it will basically give me the answer here. Now, what I can do here is I can go ahead and basically bring this down, and I can go ahead and get a full kind of like ChatGPT interface of the question that I basically just asked. So now it'll give me a lot more information, everything like that. What I can also do is I can start to talk to Siri. So at the very bottom, I can just go through and start typing to Siri exactly what I'm wanting to kind of have. So I can jump right into here and I can ask Siri questions. I can ask them more about the things that I'm kind of wanting to kind of ask about. And that's another really cool thing that we can basically do here as well. So it's awesome. It's something I'd probably recommend everyone to kind of start using. And that's essentially how you use it. It's pretty basic. You just unlock it using the side button up here. And that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.